It's shame hosting a game be a 10-point underdog. Well, it's easy. Carolina kind of stinks. And the Rams, in my...
The eldest daughter of a nobleman, Ophelia lived in fantasy.
Who've gone above and beyond for their students to be among the winners of $5,000 to stock their classroom. Teachers give their time, money, and heart. Dreams. Okay.
Somebody say a prayer for me.
Check out our weekly flyer on Menards.com.